Today's Feature Friday pattern at Love Notions is the Lincoln top. Super lovely for neat fabrics, lots of options here. Sizes extra small to 5X, only $5 today. I'll be showing you my 3 versions. This is the first one. This is the first Lincoln top I made when the pattern was released. I've got a shorter version. There is an actual shorter one and a longer one. And this is a Ponte Roma. It's super lovely. When I made it, this is an extra large standard bust. I'm actually a large standard bust now, so it's fitting a little oversized. I think it still looks really cute. And just because I know it's fitting looser, I've got something slimmer fitting on the bottom. Purple pencil skirt, very versatile. So I think this is super cute. I've got the diagonal placket here, harder to see with the Ponte Roma, but I do have black buttons going down there. Only the last button is functional where I did a buttonhole. All the other ones are just sewn through, and the plackets are all interfaced. Lovely. I like this top. This is the shortest I would wear a top at my high hip, so this would be cropped for me. I know cropped would be way above here for others, but I really love this version. And I've got the option where the hem is level all the way from the front to the back, because you can also sew a version that's shorter in the front and longer in the back. I do have the original neckline here, which is rounded, and I do have a sleeveless version, which is an official part of the pattern. I did not hack this, and I've got binding on the inside of these. Very neat finish. I think this is really cute. And the next versions you're going to see both have neckline hacks and sweater knits for colder weather. This is my second Lincoln top. This is a sweater knit. I do have a hack with a neckline, and I've sewn armbands here onto the sleeveless armhole instead of binding. Same extra large, standard bust, same length. It's just a sweater knit, and because it's oversized, like all of them are right now, I've got my same purple pencil skirt here. This time I've just put boot. I think this length is perfect, and actually the ease is perfect as well. If you want to make a size up just for comfort or because it's your style, I think it looks still really good. So I'm not thinking of taking these in, and actually would be pretty impossible to take these in because of this diagonal placket. You don't have a regular side seam here to take in. So I'm just going to leave these oversized and enjoy them as they are. I've done lots of buttonhole options here. In this case, I don't have any buttonholes. I've just sewn the buttons right through and just left this part open. So I do have a button there, but no buttonhole, and this is just open like that. I think it looks really cute. You don't need these buttons to open up to get into the shirt because you just pull it on. For some versions, I've done all the buttonholes. For others, I've done none, like this one, and for others, I've done a little bit of a mix. All the plackets are interfaced, so really nice and structured. For this one, I created my own V neckline. I just added that onto the pattern and created my own V neckband. I do have content on how you can customize and just put V necklines wherever you want. I love how they look. It's always so pretty for everyone. So that's what I've got there, and I've used rib knit to sew on my neckbands and my armbands. I think this is really cute, and when it gets really cold, I'm just gonna wear a base layer underneath. A cotton top, nice and fitted with long sleeves underneath, but it's very hot right now, so I could not even fathom doing that. This is my other Lincoln top. It's lovely. It's the only one that has long sleeves. This is a full sweater knit, navy, gorgeous. You can see that my neckline is hacked here to have a square neckline. I just transferred the neckline from a dress that has that neckline at Love Notions and just put it on here. It's finished with facings. Now we've already noticed that I'm wearing slimmer fitting bottoms. Swap the pencil skirts for slimmer fitting pants, straight leg pants, that type of thing. I wouldn't wear any wide leg bottom in the way that this is fitting. So that's just my styling option right here. I love the combination of the pink and the navy. Love the navy booties. Some people think that these booties shorten your legs and all that sort of thing, but I don't buy into that. I just use my height as an advantage here, and I love them because they're not that cold, they're not that hot, so it's perfect for my weather as well. Same length, same fit, just a different fabric. Really special buttons over here. I found these ones with a really special shape. They're like squares. I did sew all the buttonholes through and everything, but only these two I actually cut into the buttonholes, and so there's always a mix of buttonhole shenanigans over here. I think this is really pretty because it really shows off the diagonal feature right here in this pattern. How pretty is this square neckline hack? I think it's lovely. I've got a little scarf there for extra warmth. When it gets cold, I would probably wear something a little chunkier, but this is lovely. And it's just so beautiful. It's really hard to find a sweater with a square neckline, so why not hack it from another pattern? added on here, and I love how it turned out. Don't forget to grab this cute pattern only for $5 today. I think it's really worth it. Lots of value, lots of options, and something really unique and super wearable. Make it your actual size or make it one size more, you'll still be really happy. It just depends on your personal style. And I'm very happy with these being one size larger than I am right now. You know, they're not meant to be tight, so this is great.